Hi and happy Monday. My name is Maren Steiner and I live in Hermosa Beach, California, where it's a rare rainy day today. It's my fourth course at DOAN, with previous ones being General Chemistry 1, 2, and Anatomy. I've had really great experiences thus far and looking forward to taking Physiology. I have taken this class before, but it's been a very long time, so looking forward to the refresher and learning some new things with all of you. This past year has been a crazy one for me, where I did a complete shift in my life, like many of you, I'm sure, have as well. I graduated with a degree in communications way back in 2004, and I've been planning, building, and staffing medical centers for huge music festivals all over the world, and still occasionally work as an EMT through all of this madness. This was a career that I thought could survive anything, because really, why would people stop going to concerts? But, well, here we are now. So it's easy to laugh about it, as I sort of do now, but I've had a year to come to terms with it. Doing that for over a decade and got tired of all the travel and waking up and wondering what city I was in. So excited for some new stuff. Became a huge advocate for drug education after losing several young people to avoidable overdoses. So in 2019, I decided to apply to an MPH program with an emphasis in community health at Tulane University in New Orleans and was accepted. I'm also doing a do-it-yourself postbac to knock out some of my science prerequisites in hopes for applying to PA school next cycle. I've pretty much had to take everything all over again, as I either didn't take it the first time I was in college or took it a long time ago for it, and it's no longer accepted. So besides taking courses here at DOAN, I've done courses at UCSD Extension and my local community college. So far, microbiology has been my favorite, but maybe this class will be as well. I have a lot of free time on my hands, obviously, since I'm not really working right now, and I decided to go back to school, and we will see what happens in the future. It's kind of weird being an older student. Some of these classes, I'm definitely a better student now than when I was originally in college, that's for sure. There's so many resources out there that didn't exist when I was going to college back in 2000, 2004. During most of my classes, when I don't understand something now, I can hop on YouTube, type in the subject, and find hundreds of videos to help break it down. That's really amazing, and I believe YouTube is really the reason why I've gotten through some of these classes that I probably would have had struggles with back in my earlier life. Back in October, I got a puppy named Dr. Bailey. We're just the best of friends. She's a really good girl most of the time. I'd been contemplating getting a dog for a very long time, but I'm glad I waited until she came along because she's just perfect. She graduated from dog school despite getting a D in fetch, which I thought was pretty funny. And I also bought a house shortly before the pandemic started. Great timing, of course. So now I've been living in a hotel off and on the last 3 weeks because there's a massive leak in my bathroom shower, which led to a construction crew having to gut my entire bathroom. But Dr. Bailey and I are surviving, and we're getting our classes done. So looking forward to working with all of you this coming term. If anyone has a group me, would love to join, and look forward to learning physiology with all of you. Bye.